Elasticity of supply percentage method. Percentage method is one of the ways to measure price elasticity of supply. This lesson consists of three parts. 1. Solving a problem using the formula. 2. Interpreting elasticity values. 3. Derivation of the textbook formula. Part 1. The problem is the price increases from 10 rupees to 15 rupees and as a result quantity increases from 100 units to 120 units. Calculate price elasticity of supply by employing percentage method. This is the formula we are going to use. First, identify the values associated with the terms in the formula. Initial quantity Q1 is 100 units. New quantity Q2 is 120 units. Initial price P1 is 10 rupees. New price P2 is 15 rupees. Now plug in these values in the formula. 100 minus 120 over 10 minus 15 multiplied by 10 over 100. Simplify this. Elasticity value is 0.4. Since elasticity value is less than 1, the supply is relatively inelastic. Part 2. We are likely to get different results when we solve problems. How do they to be interpreted? We shall see that. Elasticity value 0. Perfectly inelastic supply. Elasticity value less than 1. Relatively inelastic supply. Elasticity value equal to 1. Unitary elastic supply. Elasticity value greater than 1. Relatively elastic supply. Elasticity value infinite. Perfectly elastic supply. This is how we have to interpret the results. Part 3. In the textbooks, you will have this formula. Delta Q over delta P multiplied by P over Q. How do we obtain this? Recollect the percentage method formula we used in part 1. Elasticity of supply equal to percentage change in quantity supplied over percentage change in price. Percentage change in quantity supplied is Q1 minus Q2 multiplied by 100 over Q1. This can be written as delta Q times 100 over Q. Percentage change in price is P1 minus P2 multiplied by 100 over P1. This can be written as delta P times 100 over P. To calculate elasticity, we have to divide percentage change in quantity with percentage change in price. Then we shall state it like this to solve. 100 and 100 gets cancelled. We can rewrite the formula as delta Q over Q times P over delta P. By rearranging, we get delta Q over delta P multiplied by P over Q. In most of the textbooks, the formula is given only in this form. But I personally feel Formula of this form shall be used to solve the problems because it will seldom allow you to commit mistakes while solving problems. We shall discuss midpoint or arc method in part 4.